Following the FDA's emergency use authorization approval last week, this is now the first week that the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine has been distributed. Let's take a closer look now at the Pampa Regional Medical Center and see how they're feeling about the shipment they received yesterday.
COVID has taught us to be prepared for anything.
After a slight change in plans, the Pampa Regional Medical Center received their first allocation of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine on Monday.
We actually had got notification last week that we were receiving some, and then it didn't show up. And then so Monday morning we showed up and it was here. So we were all excited.
Receiving 200 doses in total, the facility's frontline workers began receiving the vaccine this afternoon. With the medical center having 250 people on staff, the first 30 doses were given today and another 30 to be distributed tomorrow.
Of the 30, they were nurses, physicians, and we did have a social worker receive it today who's involved in our behavioral health unit, so she's always around patients, and then our x-ray staff.
This special delivery providing a slight sense of relief to the rural hospital as they were also hit hard during the pandemic.
And we found that we were short of staff, and then we also are receiving hospital for a lot of the smaller hospitals around us, so Wheeler, McLean, Borger. So we were having to turn those patients away, ones that we would normally take.
However, thanks to resources and helping hands from the state and quick thinking, they were able to stay afloat.
Our ICU filled up with vented patients, something that we're not normally tasked with, maybe one or two vents, but now we had full ICU of vents. And we were able to open up another part of our hospital.
And fortunately, the medical center has seen their surge of COVID-19 patients decrease in the past 2 weeks.
We have a little more flexibility in our ICU, whereas 2 weeks ago, you were on a waiting list to get in the ICU, and now we have a bed available. It seems like we have one available bed a day, which doesn't seem like a lot, but when you have none, one is a lot.
Thomas also explained that she believes that once there's more awareness about the side effects of this vaccine and if it's going to have some efficacy about it, then more people will be open to receiving the vaccine.